In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view forms in TurboTax Online. If you want a quick, reliable way to see the forms and key numbers behind your return, TurboTax Online gives you a built-in path to do exactly that. I'll walk you through the clicks and explain what each screen shows so you know you're in the right place and understand what you're looking at. Have your return open in TurboTax Online, and we'll move smoothly through the interface together. First, open the main navigation in your return and click on Tax Tools. This section is designed for behind-the-scenes controls. Think of it as the command center for your return. It's typically located along the left side of the screen, and the label is consistent across most devices and tax years. Next, select Tools. This takes you into a compact menu of helpful utilities that go beyond the standard question and answer flow. You're not changing any entries here, you're simply accessing the area that reveals summaries and the structure of your return. Then, choose View Tax Summary. This is where the high-level snapshot of your return appears, including totals that are calculated from the forms you've completed. It's the fastest way to confirm that the information you entered is flowing to the right places and that the underlying forms are lining up with your inputs. Once the summary loads, take a moment to look over the figures you see: refund or balance due, taxable income, and other headline numbers. These values pull directly from the form and schedules included in your return, so they're a great signal that things are calculating as expected. If something looks off, it usually means there's an entry upstream that needs a closer look. As you review, keep in mind that TurboTax builds and updates your forms automatically as you answer questions in the main interview. The summary view reflects those updates in real time, which makes it ideal for spot checking changes before you finalize anything. It's a read-friendly way to validate that major line items match what you expect. A quick note about layout. Depending on your screen size or device, the menus may appear slightly differently, but the path you just used, Tax Tools, then View Tax Summary, remains the same. If you resize your browser or switch devices, the labels and order should still guide you to the same place. That's all it takes. By clicking Tax Tools, then Tools, and finally View Tax Summary, you'll land on the overview that reflects the forms behind your return and the totals they produce. Use this view anytime you want assurance that your entries are being captured correctly before you move on.